everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a declutter organizational video for you, and we are going into my daughter's room and organizing her dressers. We had to go through some of the clothes, or we have to go through some of the clothes, decide what she loves, what she doesn't love, what we're going to donate, what doesn't serve its purpose anymore, what's torn, toss those items. And then also we want to kind of transition to her room. She's 11 years old, so we want to start transitioning to teenager's room. So we have a few years for that, but we want to take out all of the baby things and the young things that aren't serving its purpose anymore, so her room can bring her joy and it's a cozy little space. Her room is a small room, so it's a very small space. So if you follow me along in the future, in the journey, you'll see how I organize this small space. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of those videos that are coming out in the future and whatnot. So we're going to start with her dresser and then work our way around the room, and then we'll do a final room tour. I also have videos of my teen son's room, and I'll link them all up in the cards above, so make sure you click on those. And we're pretty much doing the same thing in both of their rooms, transitioning to a young man and also to a young teen girl's room. So let's go ahead. you enjoyed this declutter and organization of my daughter's dressers. If you enjoy organizational videos, give me a thumbs up. If there's another area in my home that you want to see me organize, let me know in the comments below. And like I said, I'm going to do a series of this of both of my children's room, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me, and I will talk to you guys real soon.